Hi, this is Max and this is a video tutorial about the consonant sounds. So let's start. The first consonant sound is the end. So this consonant they place at the alveolar. Alveolar consonants are those that are articulate when the upper dental alveoli are touched with the tongue. Like this. Right? The manner of this consonant are nasal. So this consonant is a voiced consonant. So let's continue with the sentences and examples. Nobody understands the Norse. Nobody's understand the Norse. The Norse. They do an excellent job. I got the north of the city. No other place compares with its beauty. So, an exercise for this pronunciation is like the tongue. Yes, just right there. And then you pronounce nurse, nurse, nurse. There's a vibration, right? You can feel the vibration, and this is the correct pronunciation of the consonant N, right? The next is the. So this a consonant that takes place in dental, because the dental consonant articulates with the tongue against the upper teeth, just right there. The manner is stop. Yes, he pronounced and this consonant is a voices because there's a vibration in the pronunciation. Yeah, right? In the vocal cords. So let's move to sentences. For example, the doctor prescribed rest for my stress. The doctor prescribed rest for my stress. This is a wonderful day. This is a wonderful day. Right? An exercise common is feel the vibration in the vocal cords, right? The next consonant sound and the last one is the H. So the H take place the glottal. So the glottal consonants are all those articulated in the glottis at the vocal cords, right? These sounds comes from here. So it's not like a sound because these consonants are voiceless, right? They pronounce the consonant and we can feel the movement in the glottal or the vocal cords, but these consonants are voiceless. For example, my horse is sick and hunger is the least problem. Horse, hunger, horse, hunger, horse, hunger, horse, hunger. Right? There's no vibration in the vocal cords, so this you can feel the movement, but no Now there's no variation on the vocal cords, like in the D sound and N sound. You can feel the variation, and the H is a horse and hunger, right? The rhythm comes out of the mouth, but there's no variation in the vocal cords. In the next sample, my dad got a house. He is very happy, and I'm too. My dad got a house. He is very happy, and I am too. So, the exercise for this is feel the air seam comes out for the by the mouth, right? Like you can feel the bird. House, 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 house. Hunger, happy, happy. House, right? And this is it. Thanks for watching.